Shopify Variant Option Product Options app tutorial. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to add or install an app to add many variants options for your Shopify product. It is very easy and very simple. All you need to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning to the end and you will be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is to head over shopify.com. Then you only need to sign in for your account. As you can see, our account is ready and we have the admin dashboard. So the first step that you need to do is to add the products, and this is a must because the apps or the app that we are going to add will not work without any product. So you need to add the products here to the product section. As you can see here, we have a lot of products. If you want to import them, go ahead and click on import, add a CSV file, or you can add them manually like this. Go ahead and put the title, description, media, and etc. So now we are going to head over to home. We're going to click on the search bar up top. So we are going to put here or write product variant. Here variant. So variant, and then we are going to product variant. I have made the wrong right here option, so we are going to search for this app in the Shopify App Store. Now we are going to wait for a few seconds until we see here the App Store itself. So here we have the marketplace or the Shopify App Store. We have a lot of variant options products. So right here we are going to use one of these. We have global products option variants. We have variant option product options. We have also, as you can see here, a lot. So we are going to use the variant option product options. We are going to click on it. Here we have the app. As you can see, it will let you here customize the variants, also the product options. We have a lot. So we are going to install it. Click on install, then we are going to give the permission for the app to be installed in our store. So we are going to grant that permission, click on install. Now, usually here after this step, you are going to face the admin dashboard of that specific app. Either it is a website or the app itself as an integration. So here we have an integration created. Now we are going to pin the VO product or the variant option to our main menu. So here we have a basic plan, also an advanced plan. As you can see here, we have a free trial. We are going simply to here see the product. So here we made this specific app. So we are going to activate here as you can see here, the trial. We have a trial. So we are going to approve this trial to let you see here whatever options that we have. Now we have the home page. We need to install the app or enable the app embed to our theme. So we are going to click on install app. It will pop up right here the Shopify theme editor. So we are going to see here directly the app embeds ready. The product option or the VO product option is already enabled. All we need to do is to click on save. So boom, here we have everything in work. Now we are going back to the page of the dashboard. Here we have the app installed. So we are going to refresh this page until we see here the check mark on the app. So as you can see, it has been activated, I think. Now we are only going to add an option to a single product. So we are going to click choose product. Then we have a lot of all of our products that has been added to the store. So let's go ahead right here and select a simple one. So I have this. It has no variants and no options. I'm going to select it. So right here we have the t-shirt, as you can see, Shopify options. So we are going to add the virtual option. Click on here. And here we have the title of the option and also the type. For example, here it has been written here or describing the example color, size, material. For example, we are going to put here the size. So now for the type of the widget that you want to add, we have drop down, buttons, text, long text, and etc. So we're going to add a let's say here maybe checkboxes, multi-select. For example, here you can add a restriction to it. For the multi-select, I will not do it because it may be add some confusion to the orders. So we are going to add the value separated with a comma. So for example, S, M, L. So we are going to click on OK, and boom. Here we have the sizes, as you can see. And now let's go ahead and add another option. For example, we are going to add color, like that. For the type, we need to add the color swatches. For the pre-select, it will be empty. You can go ahead and put it required, and this is a value. So here we have a, let's say here a hex code. So you can go ahead and select or put your hex code here manually. I'm going to add a value, but here I'm going to put, for example, this specific orange. Here we are going to put here yellow, here orange, and we are going to add another value, which is, let's say that this is red. I'm going to put here red. Then we have it. So we are going to click OK. Here we have added some options. Now we are going to click on save. We are going to save and view in our store. So we are going to click on this specific here area. Now we are going to see the product and also the variants or the options that we have added with the help of this specific page. So boom, here we have the size, the color swatches. We have them right here simplified. We have also the size. There is here a multiple choice. As you can see here, select or multi-select option. You can go ahead and remove it by going right here to this specific one. Click on the pen tool. Here must select at least one, for example. I'm going to click on save. We are going to reselect or right there put, for example, here a refresh until we see the multi-choice is gone. So that was very simple and very easy. So right here we have the first handle and the first title. You can go ahead and choose another product and select any of the products that you have. For example, this pen, the Bluetooth pen here, I'm going to add it. It will give me these same options. Add virtual option. These are some virtual option. You can go ahead and add the materials, for example, jeans or paper, carton, or whatever. So you are going to add it right here. Then you are going to click OK. For example, for this pen, I'm going to add color. Name it color. Then we are going to add the color swatches, or you can go ahead and add the checkboxes. So for the checkboxes, I'm going to add the multi-select here. One. So we are going to put here the color gray, comma, black, comma. For example, let's go ahead and add another color, which is maybe blue. So we are going to click on OK. Here we have it. So boom. Now we are going to click on save. Visit the store again. So we're going to wait until the here the window will pop. So here we have it. You can see that we have the option. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.